Hi friends, welcome to my channel where we dive deep into the stories behind the world's most fascinating wines and grape varieties. Today's spotlight is on Trebbiano, an unassuming white grape that quietly dominates Italian vineyards and has had an astonishing influence well beyond its homeland. If you're new to wine or well into your journey, today's episode will reveal why Trebbiano deserves more attention, how it shapes styles from simple everyday sippers to elegant sparkling wines, and the global legacy it's carved over centuries. So grab your glass, settle in, and let's unravel the story of Trebbiano. Let's start by journeying through time. Trebbiano proudly wears the badge of one of the world's oldest and most planted grape varieties. Its origins, though somewhat ambiguous, are undeniably Mediterranean. Most ampelographers, that is, scientists who study grapevine varieties, agree that Trebbiano is native to Italy, with some genetic evidence linking it to ancient Roman vineyards. Roman documents from as early as the 1st century mention prolific white grapes grown in the regions present-day Trebbiano calls home. Some historical texts speculate that Trebbiano might be linked to the grape referred to as Vinum Trebulonum, cultivated near Naples and valued for its abundance rather than its refinement. Over centuries, Trebbiano spread rapidly, favored by growers for its resilience, productivity, and ability to deliver large yields in diverse climates and soils. By the Middle Ages, Trebbiano was already a fixture of central Italy's vineyard landscapes. But what truly sets Trebbiano apart from other varieties is not just its longevity and popularity in Italy. The grape made its way across the Alps, most notably flourishing in southern France, where it became known as Ugni Blanc. There, a remarkable transformation took place. Ugni Blanc is now the primary grape behind the great spirits of Cognac and Armagnac. We'll revisit this twist in its tale later. Have you ever knowingly tasted a wine made from Trebbiano or Ugni Blanc? If so, what was your first impression of its flavor? If not, keep an eye out during your next wine shop. You might be surprised how often Trebbiano appears under various names. Trebbiano is not just a single grape. It is a true family of varieties and clones. Its name can be found in several expressions across Italy, each revealing subtle differences shaped by soil, winemaking traditions, and local climate. Trebbiano Toscano. The most famous and widely planted, especially in Tuscany, Lazio, and Umbria. This clone is productive and is often used for large volume table wines and blends. Trebbiano d'Abruzzo, grown in Abruzzo, and recognized for producing higher quality wines with a distinct mineral profile and deeper flavors. Trebbiano Romagnolo common in Emilia-Romagna, contributing to the region's crisp, clean whites and sometimes to sparkling wines. Procanico found on the island of Elba, similar but not identical to Toscano. Ugni Blanc, France. The French name for Trebbiano Toscano, essential to brandy production. Regional synonyms abound, and Trebbiano has even traveled the world to Argentina, Australia, and beyond. This adaptability is testament to its vigorous nature. It's a survivor, thriving from sunny Italian hillsides to the temperate Atlantic coasts of France. What makes Trebbiano so popular with growers, above all, its robustness. The grape ripens late, tolerates heat and drought, and is resistant to many vineyard diseases. Yields are generous, almost too generous for winemakers chasing concentration and depth. For centuries, Trebbiano was branded as workhorse, or even anonymous, filling bottles destined for everyday drinking or industrial use. But modern winemaking techniques and a shift toward quality-focused vineyards have dramatically changed Trebbiano's reputation. Especially in regions like Abruzzo and select parts of Tuscany, meticulous attention in the vineyard and cellar unlocks surprising aromatic complexity and structure. What does Trebbiano taste like? High acidity, making them fresh and lively, perfect for pairing with food. Light to medium body, not heavy, making them accessible even for novice wine drinkers. Aromas, green apple, pear, citrus fruits, lemon, lime, and often delicate florals like acacia or chamomile. With age, some can develop subtle herbal or almond notes. Flavor crisp, clean, lightly fruity, rarely overpowering, but the acidity stands out, lending itself well to many styles, including sparkling wines. Most Trebbiano ends up as light, zesty wines designed for daily enjoyment. In Italy, these are the backbone of local trattorias and home kitchens, especially in Tuscany and central Italy. Often labeled as Bianco or blended into regional white wine docks, they are the go-to for crisp, food-friendly refreshment. Don't be fooled by Trebbiano's reputation for simplicity. When yields are controlled and attention is paid to quality, Trebbiano, particularly Trebbiano d'Abruzzo DOC, steps up with impressive mineral notes, depth, and even aging potential. Such wines offer more than mere citrus, hinting at stone fruit, herbs, and, with oak aging, subtle toast or almond. Exceptional producers like Valentini and Abruzzo have shown that Trebbiano can rival much grander varieties in complexity and longevity. Trebbiano is often used as the blending base for Italian whites, lending freshness and acidity. In Orvieto, Umbria, it is blended with Grosseto and Malvasia. In Tuscany's Vernaccia di San Gimignano, Trebbiano might make up a small portion of the blend. Can Trebbiano make sparkling wine? Absolutely. Its high acidity is a blessing for sparkling wine production. In Emilia-Romagna, Trebbiano Romagnolo serves as a base for various frizzante wines, produced using both tank, charmat, and traditional methods. These effervescent bottles are popular in Italy for hot summer days or celebrations. Some Prosecco producers even include Trebbiano in their blends, though it's a minor player. While not common, in some regions, Trebbiano is used for sweet or late harvest styles. It often contributes acidity rather than strong aromatics or sugar. The most dramatic chapter for Trebbiano is in France, as Ugni Blanc. There, the grape's tart profile and high acid make it ideal for distillation. Gin, brandy, especially cognac and armagnac, are built on Ugni Blanc sourcings. Trebbiano's neutral flavor allows aging in oak to dominate the final character, and its resilience to disease ensures a reliable supply. Imagine you're hosting a summer party. Based on what you've learned, would you choose a crisp Trebbiano-based sparkling wine or a classic still white? Drop your vote in the comments and tell us why. High acidity and freshness make Trebbiano incredibly versatile at the table. Classic pairings include grilled or steamed seafood, calamari, shrimp, white fish, pasta dishes with light, herbal, or citrusy sauces, think spaghetti alle vongole, fresh mozzarella or burrata salads, roasted chicken with lemon, light tapas or antipasti. The grape's understated personality lets food shine rather than overwhelm. If you're experimenting, try Trebbiano-based wines with sushi or tangy ceviche for a cross-cultural match. Though Italy reigns supreme in Trebbiano acreage, the grape's reach is global. France. As Ugni Blanc, it dominates the vineyards dedicated to cognac and armagnac. It's less common as a table wine, but a few dry expressions do exist, mainly in the Southwest. Argentina. Here, Trebbiano contributes to inexpensive, refreshing whites often consumed young. Australia. A handful of producers bottle Trebbiano as a crisp summer quaffer. The adaptability of Trebbiano is evident from its success in various climates and regions, reinforcing its everyman reputation. Modern winemakers want you to reconsider Trebbiano. The grape is no longer confined to bland bulk wine. In areas where yield is restricted and emphasis is placed on terroir, Trebbiano offers surprising depth, longevity, and value. Boutique producers showcase single vineyard bottlings, organic approaches, and even skin contact orange expressions. So the next time you reach for an Italian white, don't pass by Trebbiano's clean, unpretentious character. Enjoy its honesty and, with the right bottle, discover layers waiting beneath the surface. Trebbiano is the backbone of Italian white wine, yet too often overlooked. From humble trattoria pours to world-renowned cognac, its influence stretches across styles, countries, and centuries. If you're a beginner, Trebbiano is a beautiful place to start exploring Italian whites. If you're more advanced, seek out a top producer from Abruzzo or an artisanal cognac to experience the grape's full potential. Remember, every wine, no matter how simple or grand, has a story, and Trebbiano's is worth telling. Try a bottle of Trebbiano from your local wine shop and tell us in the comments. Did the acidity and freshness surprise you? Which style did you prefer? Still, sparkling, or a blend? Thank you for watching until the end. If you want to learn more about wines, grape varieties, and how to choose the perfect drink for any occasion, be sure to subscribe, put a like, and write your comments. There's much more unique and exciting content ahead. See you soon, and may your glass be filled with bright impressions.